Hey, Todd Walden here with South-Pak in Norcross, Georgia. We specialize in custom cases, custom foam. Here to my left, we make custom ATA cases. We have multiple products we utilize, whether it's plywood or a specialized bi-core product that we use exclusive. Been doing it since 1981. Specialize in custom tool control, whether it's aviation or defense. We are preferred Pelican and SKB dealers. We stock here locally in Atlanta and are happy to work with you on any kind of customization job. Tool control is our big part of our business. We measure everything, water jet cut to fit. We also mark the tools so you can realize what might be missing and where it needs to go. We laser mark the foam or an insert. Here to my right, we might utilize that and insert inside an insert, or we can laser mark the foam as well. We also screen print. We can customize the exterior of a case. Pretty much anything you can think of. External ports, battery packs, connections, chargers, and whatnot. We also have a soft bag division where we specialize in custom sewing. We can build the spec on size for backpacks, soft bags, lid inserts as well. I'm sorry? Lid inserts can also be cut to spec. Number of pouches, mesh, solid, clear. To fit any case, and it could be removable or permanent install. This case here is a sample case that we use to show the types of foam we use, some of our capabilities with the water jet cut, and some of the other materials we use for the ATA cases. This is a sample of our ATA cases, a bi-core material. It is corrugated plastic, laminated, and it can be used either way, black or white. Heavy-duty casters. We make all our cases heavy-duty, made here in the U.S. We do not import inexpensive cases, I should say. And
Is that something you guys do, or is that just a prop?
That's a Pelican Light that we use. We're also Pelican dealers, preferred Pelican dealers here in the Southeast. And the beauty of Pelican is they offer more than just cases. We specialize in the lighting side of Pelican as well. Turnaround typically is around 4 weeks. It depends on the complexity of the project and of course the volume. We're happy to work on any types of volume, whether it's a one-off or a contraction. Privately owned company gives you a personal touch as far as design and service. Work to fit your delivery requirements as needed. Hey, it's been Todd. Thanks for stopping by the booth. Look forward to seeing you at the next show.
Easy to go. Excellent work. Well, you